Good morning to everyone. Myself N.Kalpna. I am from G.k.jain Higher Secondary School, Royapuram. For more educational video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Today for the 10th standard I am going to explain the lesson is plant and animal hormone. First we have to complete the plant hormones followed by the animal hormones. First of all we started with the definition of an hormones. Hormone is a Greek word which means excite. So hormone is it has been derived from a Greek words which means excite, and which most of the cells it is being produced the hormones, but it should be in a trace amount only, and it should those hormone which is being transport as well as it will be having the control capacity of physiological activities. So this is about the definitions of hormone. Hormones means excitement, as well as what are the work statement of hormones. It has been easily transport throughout the cell, all over the cells in our body, and but it should be in a trace amount only, and it will be having the ability to control the physiological activities. So first we have see the plant hormones and followed by the animal hormones. So plants hormones, which is the organic molecules. So organic molecules means which is being made up of carbon. We already know about it. The molecule will be classified into organic molecules as well as the inorganic molecule. But the plant hormone which is being based on the organic molecule, that is been purely it should be based on the carbons only. And next one, it has been easily. So even though it has been in the organic compound, that is why it should be easily degradable. And next one, it should have the capacity, the plant hormones having the tendency to control the morphological, physiological as well as the biochemical response in the plants. So hormones having this ability to control all this process. And next we go on to the types of hormones. Hormones have been classified into 5 types, 5 major types. First thing, it is about auxin, cytokinins, gibberellin, as well as abscisic acid as well as ethylene. This abscisic acid which has been shortly denoted as ABA. Okay, so these 5 hormones, these are the types of hormones. Among these 5 hormones, the first 3 hormones, that means auxin, cytokinins and gibberellin, which is the growth promoters, and the remaining 2, that means ABA as well as ethylene is a growth inhibitors. So among these 5 hormones, one is a growth promoters. What is the meaning of growth promoters? It is having the tendency to promote the growth, because the hormone which is present. So both kind of hormones will be present in the plant. One is inhibit the growth, which is being able to promote the growth, and other one will be inhibit the growth. So 5 hormones we saw, the types of hormones, that means auxin, cytokinins, gibberellin, ABA as well as ethylene. Now we discuss about the auxins. So auxin was the first growth hormone. So among the 5 hormones, the first 3 will be the growth. It able the protect the growth hormones, it enable it, okay, and the remaining 2 will be the growth inhibitor. The first 3 will be the growth promoter, and the next 2 will be the growth inhibitors. So first we saw it is a auxin it is under the kind of growth promoters. So it is a first growth hormone. It is also derived from the Greek word which means to grow. And next one, it is produced at where the auxins have been present, it has been present at the tip of stem as well as the root. So we already know that if you taking a plant, how can we can be follow that whether the plant have been grown, it has been based on the tip. It started from the tip only. So auxins is a kind of hormone, it is promote the growth, it will be present at the tip of a plant as well as a tip of the root as well as the stem. And next one, based on these auxins, few more scientists have been observed. They have been experimentally, they have been mentioned, they have been discussed about the auxin. First, it was Charles Darwin. You already know about that. He was the father of evolution. Charles Darwin, who was the father of evolution, one day in his garden he was observed that one kind of grass which will be he has been observed of the unlimited growth of the grass. The grass name is Canaria grass. He has been observed the unlimited growth of a grass, and later on he has been concluded how the grass have been unlimited growth. We know that some kind of chemical it has been present at the grass which inhibit the growth. That hormones is a auxin. He has been observed as well as he has been concluded. And next one followed by the Charles Darwin, it is a scientist as a Venn. It is a very famous experiments, Venn's experiments, okay, whose name is actually, whose full name is Wormelt Venn. Okay, Venn's experiment is based on the plant's hormones, is a famous experiment related to the finding the hormones. Named as, who has been named that hormone, the hormone which will be promote the growth, it has been present at the tip. Who was named? Venn has been named as a auxin. And next one, he has been given the, based on this growth hormone, he has been concluded with the 3 experiments. He has been observed and concluded based on the 3 experiments. That is why I am telling you Venn's experiment is a famous experiment. First, on basis of Avenocalyptus, he has been made the experiment with these plant Avenocalyptus. First of all, he has been taken the plant. He has to cut down the tip of the plant. He is known that the growth of a plant which is related to the tip of a plant. So first he has started to remove the tip of a plant. After removing the tip of the plant, the plant has stopped its growth. After he has been observed so many days after the cutting of the tip, he has been observed there is no growth will be taken place in that plant. And next one, he is getting to the second experiment. Place the agar block on the decapsulation. Decapsulation means at the part where he has been cut down the tip. No. So in place of the tip, he has been placed the agar. Agar means is a kind of jelly. Again, after filling the agars, he has been observed that whether the growth is being inhibit or it should be promote. But again, he has been, after the observation, he has been concluded there is no growth on it, because the growth will be based on the chemical present at the tip. Here we have removed the tip. That is why the growth of a plant has been blocked. Okay. In the second experiments, he has been concluded the growth of a plant has been inhibited. And next one, finally he has been made an experiment with that. After that, so he has been taken the agar block from the plant. Again, the tip which is being cut down, no, he has been placed the tip over the agar block, because in the tip what kind of hormones have been present? It is the auxins have been present. What is the nature of auxin? It inhibit the growth, it promote the growth. So after that tip it has been placed on the agar. The agar has the tendency, because it is a kind of jelly only, so it has been observed the chemical, that means auxin from the tip of the plant. So it has been observed on the agar. So those agar, it has been filled with the auxin only. Later on, he placed that agar over the plant. After a few days, he has been observed again. The plant has started to grow. Finally, what he has been concluded, so the growth of a plant, it has been depend upon the chemical which has been present at the tip of the plant. What type of chemical it has been? Auxin, it is a chemical. So this is about the Venn's experiments. So first he has been started to cut down the auxins, that means tip. Second one, at that place of tip, he has been replaced by the agar. That too also he has been got, there is no growth of plant he has been observed. Finally, he has been taken the agar, placed over the tip. The agar has been observed all the auxin present in the tip. Later on, he has been replaced the agar over the plant tip. So the auxin which is being placed in the agar, it has been absorbed by the root as well as the stem and started to growing itself. So finally what he has been concluded? He has been concluded the hormones will be the responsible for the growth of a plant. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.